Hello students, welcome to Solve This classes. Today we'll be solving the electrical engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be focusing on the engineering mathematics portion of the paper. Today we'll be solving question number 7. So in question number 7 it is said that if C is a circle, mod of Z is equal to 4 and f of z is defined as z square upon z square minus 3z plus 2 whole square, then in circular integral of area integral of fz dz is equal to, we need to find the value of this integration. Now we have been given that f of z is equal to z square upon z square minus 3z plus 2 whole square. Now this is equal to z square upon z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2 whole square. This is f of z. So if we now try to now let us try to draw the circle mod of z is equal to 4. So the circle looks something like this: 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 then minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. So circle will look somewhat like this. This is 4, this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 4 4 4. So this is what we have got so far. So this is the circle mod of z equal to 4. Now let us try to find out the residue of fz as z is equal to 1. So that will be given by limit z tends to 1 by 1 factorial d dz of z minus 1 whole square into z square upon z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2 whole square. This is what we need to find out, the residue of fz as z equal to 1. So this will be given by limit z tends to 1 d dz of z minus 2 whole square on the denominator and z square on the top. So upon differentiation this will give us limit z tends to 1 z minus 2 to the power 4, this is on the bottom, and on the top we'll get twice of z into z minus 2 whole square minus 2z square into z minus 2. This is what we will get on a numerator. So upon cancellation of z minus 2 in the top and in the bottom, this will give us twice z minus 2 minus 2z square upon z minus 2 whole cube. Now if we put z equal to 1 over here, then this will give us minus of 4 by minus of 1, which will be equal to 4. So the residual of fz at z equal to 1, that is equal to 4. This is what we have got. Now let us try to find out the residual of fz at z equal to 2. So for that, let me insert another page over here. So now we'll find out residual of fz at z equal to 2. So this will be given by limit z tends to 2 1 by 1 factorial d dz of z minus 2 whole square into z square upon z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2 whole square. This is what we got. So this will come down to limit z tends to 2 d dz of z square upon z minus 1 whole square. So upon differentiation this will give us limit z tends to 2 z minus 1 to the power 4, this is on the denominator and on top we'll get z minus 1 whole square into twice of z minus 2 of z minus 1 into z square. So z minus 1 will be cancelled from the numerator and the denominator, so this will give us limit z tends to 2, z minus 1 into twice of z minus 2 into z square, and in the denominator we'll get z minus 1 whole cube. So if we put z equal to 2 now over here, this will give us 4 minus 8 by 1 cube, that is equal to 1. So this is equal to minus of 4. So by residue theorem, I, which is the integration which you are finding out, I will be equal to twice by I into 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0, which is the option B. This is option B. So today we have solved question number 7 from the engineering mathematics portion of electrical engineering gate exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.